Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to change your date of birth or DOB on your age on your Pinterest account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and video. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to change your date of birth or your age on your Pinterest account? Just going to show in this video. If you're on the home section, click on the saved option on the lost option, and just if you're just using normal account, click on the profile picture on the top. Otherwise, I just using the business account, click on the three dot option on the top, then click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you have to notice the option called account management. It's actually on the second on the list. So click on the account management option. After clicking on the account management option, you have the option called personal information. Then click on the personal information. Now you have an option to edit your date of birth. It's your DOB or birth date. Click on the birth date. Now here you just need to change the birthday date. Just click on this and just scroll and just change the birthday date and click on the OK. Then you just need to click on the update option. This is the way that you can easily update your date of birth on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super book content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.